We like the ocean a lot. Many of the ocean's most magnificent creatures live within coral reef. But as you probably know, these habitats are being damaged dramatically by pollution, climate change, and dredging. What is dredging? To explain, let's use cake. Imagine spending countless hours baking for your mum. You present her with your masterpiece, but before she can even get a good look at it, a big oil company drives a shovel right through it. This is dredging. The cake cannot recover by itself. Neither can the coral reef. That's why we make jewelry dedicated to coral reef restoration. Ruby earrings are inspired by coral found all over the world. Wearing these beauties, you won't just look fabulous, you'll feel fabulous too. Why? Let's ask a mermaid. Marta the sassy Italian mermaid. What's so great about Ruby?
Roobee, devo dirti, sono gioielli bellissimi, però più importante dei gioielli è che aiutano la mia casa e quello mi garba un sacco.
And there you have it. Ruby. Nice on your ears, nicer for the ocean.